Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create folders and subfolders in Outlook. This is a great way to organize emails and keep the inbox clean and easy to manage. Now let's get started. On the Microsoft Outlook dashboard, to create a folder, all we need to do is hover the mouse over the area where we want to create the folder. For example, let's use this email here. We can create a folder by clicking the three dots and then clicking Create Folder. From here, we just need to name the folder. In this case, let's call it Lara. As we can see, the new folder now appears here. To create a subfolder inside the Lara folder, all we need to do is click the three dots again, and then click Create New Subfolder. Now we can name the subfolder. Let's call it Value. As we can see, this subfolder now sits inside the Lara folder. That's all there is to it. Using folders and subfolders in Outlook is a simple way to sort emails by category, project, or priority. It keeps things organized, saves time, and makes it much easier to find important messages. And that's how we create folders and subfolders in Outlook. With this simple setup, we can keep the inbox tidy and manage emails more efficiently.